Okay, going to do a quick video on a lock mechanism off a 2006 Toyota Sienna. Both doors of mine messed up. Neither one of them will open. On both of them, the problem is Toyota put a little piece of plastic in this mechanism. I'll try to show you. Both of them fell out and I could not find them, so I had to go to Lowe's to make one. And right there's kind of what it looks like, if I can focus in for you. I mean, it's just a little plastic grommet. That's the back side. I'll show you the front side, how I anchored it here in a minute. But right there's the bag. Nylon spacer's what it is. Right there's what they look like before I use them. Only other parts is a small, I think it's number 6 washer. That's extremely small, and a little bit bigger washer, and the screw, of course. And right there it is. Right there's the screw, and you'll see a washer. Oh, this is going to be hard. You'll see a washer running behind the screw. It's right on top of that first piece. Then you'll see a washer right in on the other side of this piece right here. See, screw, washer, and a washer on the back side. A little bit. Now that washer on the back side is a little bit bigger. So you got screw, washer, and washer, and them two washers just pinched in between that metal piece there, as you can kind of see. Right there's that bigger washer here. Go on the inside. There's a smaller washer. But what that does is, when that falls out, it wears a little bit. Them plastic grommets does, and when it falls out, it takes both of them. There's 2 pieces there. 1, 2. There's 2 separate pieces. It takes both of them for your door to open. It takes both of them to go like that for your door to open. And if you unlock your door, if you lock your door, you know, this is what happens. Let's see. See, this one works. That's your door locked. That's your lock mechanism there. See, when that grommet falls out, that's right there is all I do all the time. So it's essentially, when that grommet falls out, essentially is locking your door. No matter how much you wiggle with that grommet's gone. It can't, you know, with that grommet in there, it slides over. As you can see, it'll slide over. Let me get it working there. And you know, see, they're both, it gets them both, you know, slides over into the other one where they both open. Lock your door. It only works one. I hope you can get the idea. I'm a bad explainer, but it's got them both opening. And so you lock your door. So when that grommet falls out, that here's all it's doing. You know, it won't let it slide. You know, when that grommet's gone, it won't slide over into that and catch that other metal piece where to open. So that's the problem with the Toyota Siennas. And I just got this one fixed. Now I got to turn into the other one again real fast. Let me show you. It will unlock your door like that. I'm on to WDS and clean it all up, but it will unlock your door. That's unlocked right there, and that's your door locked. So I hope you can see again when that grommet falls out. When that grommet falls out, see, it can't work. I'm not be able to slide it over where you can see it. It is real hard. Let me slide it over with my finger and then turn it over. As you can see, that grommet needs to slide from here over to here to pick up that other piece. But that's why Toyotas is not, their doors is messing up and you had to tear into them to get them open. And it's hard, once that falls out and once that messes up, it's hard to get your door open. You really got to tear that inside panel. And 2 screws you can't take out till you open the door. If you can't open the door, you can't take the screws out. So, but there's another video on how to do that. It's pretty easy. But that's a real neat fix. It's a real it's really better than factory, because this one, again, will not fall out. And the Toyota plastic grommets they put in there, after they wear a little bit, they work out and fall out, go right down your door. Then when you take your panel off, they drop out on the ground. You never see them. But I hope this helps. It took me a couple months to figure it out. Again, let me show you what kind of, it's an Allen spacer. Right there's the numbers, E1. And you got to find a screw a little bit bigger than that. And oh, mine went down there about that far. And I put a little epoxy down in it too, because once it's in there, it's not never coming back out, no way. And again, I think that's a number 6. Just a real small one. And that's a little bit bigger. It goes on the inside. Now that's the tricky part here. I've got grease on the inside of mine to where it stuck right up against that and held there for me. You might have to have someone to help, hold some parts. Again, I had to tie mine, tie this right here open. I put a string there and tied it around there so where I wouldn't have to hold it. It stayed open like that till I was done. Thank you.